Yeah. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, yeah. Jamaican Boy Africa. Yeah, welcome back again. I know, yeah, Jamaican Boy here having a Jamaican vibe, man. Yeah, as you can see, yeah, a Jamaican vibe. Yeah. Okay, today, yeah, I've decided to start from here my vlog, yeah, to the Brian's home, yeah, to the Brian's home, yeah, so that I go there and I show some love like you guys. If it's your first day to enter to my channel YouTube, please kindly show love by subscribing, comment sweet, and watch, please. Don't go without watching. Watch, subscribe, yeah, and comment, like, yeah. And guys, today I'm going to say that thank you for you all, thank you for you my followers, because I'm happy. Yeah, I'm happy for 2,000 subscriber, roading to 3,000 subscriber. Guys, kindly please, yeah, subscribe and support me by your subscribing, support me by your watch and everything, guys. Yeah man, I'm on the way. Yeah, I'm on the way. This is a ship, yeah, but it's not mine. I'm on the way going, yeah, to Brian's home. Yeah, I think today is on Wednesday. Yeah. Today is on Wednesday. Okay, so guys, kindly follow me till the end. You know, I didn't expect that I was to reach 2,000 subscribers, but now I'm very happy, and I'm saying that thank you for all your support. Thank you for you who are watching my video. Thank you for all you are subscribing my video, and God bless you more and more, guys. Yeah, okay. As you can see here, I'm on the way. Yeah, I'm on the way going. Yeah, man, to see, I think today the construction of the hall, yeah, is started. Yeah, and today we are going to see how to construct the wall, man, and I'm going there to be a volunteer. Yeah, the way I promised that I'm going to be there, yeah, till the day the construction will finish. Now we are going there. Yeah, today we are going to build the wall so that we put the security, okay? Yeah, security. A wall is for security. So guys, kindly watch and let's go together. Yeah, till we reach to the construction place. Yeah man. Hi. Yeah, okay, so kindly guys, let's go together. Yeah, but it's not very far. I'm approaching the site. Guys. I'm approaching the site. Yeah, let's go together. Yeah, as you can see, I'm on the way going. Yeah, I'm still on the way. Yeah, so guys, you know, the amazing things is that I'm roading to 3K subscriber, 3,000 subscriber. You guys, you make me feel happy, and you have made my mood to be good. Yeah, you have just make me to feel like, yeah, I can do more and more. Yeah, and guys, you have made me to feel loved. Yeah, to you to to make me feel good. It's God's plan. I think gods have made us all to be just alive today. Yeah, it's because of God. So I'm appreciating you guys. I'm appreciating you, my supporter. Yeah, or who have subscribed my channel. Thank you and God bless you. And if you are the first time to come out my channel, Jamaican boy here. Yeah, so please, if it's the first day, you just please like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Yeah. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. And here I can see I've already approached. I'm approaching the site. Man. Yeah, I'm approaching the site. So kindly, let's go together. Yeah, and guys, yeah, you know, Jamaican boy here. Yeah, I'm happy every time. I'm happy every time you support me, and every time you watch my video, I'm feeling happy. Yani, I don't know how can I say, okay? But guys, kindly, let's go together, guys. Please, kindly support me, guys. Support me by watching. Support me by subscribing, and support me with the all means you can. Yeah, Jamaican boy here with a big vibe from Jamaica, a big vibe from Kenya, big vibe. Jamaican boy Africa with a big vibe here. Yeah, with a big vibe here. Yeah, Jamaican boy Kenya, Jamaican boy Africa. Yeah, guys, you can see I'm already here. I'm already approaching the site. You can see this is the hall which have been started to constructed. You can see, guys. Yeah, we are already in the site here. I'm already in the site here. As you can see, this is the what can I say? This is the Nimsingi. Yeah, guys. I'm already in the house. I'm already in the building. I am already here. In the building. Yeah, man. Oi. Niaje? Kofiti. Ni kazi. Mimi ndo kufika.
Sasa movement ni moja. Ukifika mwisho upate kuna maji napita na kuna daraja.
Niaje dan?
Safi sana. Uko aje lakini? Nilikuwa Nairobi bana, nilikuja juzi. Nilikuwa busy siku 2 3.
Yeah man, you can see I'm already here to a construction place, yeah? Yeah man. As you can see, the construction of houses have been completed. It has been completed, yeah? Yeah man. We bulldozer. Si niko hapa na wewe?
Hapa namalizia. Sasa utoni kurekodi. Sito kidogo ni kurekodi.
Nitoe? Can see I'm already in the site, yeah? The construction of the wall have started. You can see he's digging the what do we call this? Foundation. Yeah, he's digging the construction, eh? Yeah, he's digging here. As you can see, as we have already started, man. Yeah, I'm the one who I'm going to remove these all soils that he's digging here. Yeah, so that we continue with the work. Yeah, here if you reach here, yeah, you can't stop. You can't stop working, yeah? if you reach here, you have to work. You have to work. You have to work. You can see in this I have already have a spade here. Yeah, I've already have a spade here. Yeah, so that I'm going to use it. Yeah, to remove the soil in this foundation here. This foundation, yeah, in this foundation here. As you can see, the work is very, the people here is very busy. They are continue doing the construction. Yeah, the construction is ongoing here, as you can see, guys. Yeah, so guys, yeah, let's follow, let's go together and see what is happening, what is going on here. Yeah, this is the bricks, this is the bricks of constructing the foundation. They are just, this man is trying to do the bricks of constructing the wall. Yeah, this is the bricks, yeah, of constructing the wall. Yeah, man. Okay, let's go together. As you can see here, the work is ongoing. I'm going to take you inside. Yeah, man. Waza. Nakuaje? Check. Waza. Nyaje. Mama wanasomba wapi? Ni huko yanakuja hapa. Okay, now guys want to bring here heavy stone from the where they have put it. Yeah. Waza. I can see you today again. You are busy here working. Niaje kaka? Sawa. Mko na nani? Oh, mimi nitabeba tu mwenyewe. Waza. Nakuaje? Waza rasta. Kofiti. Yeah. Naona ni janta, si ndio? Ni vera tu kawaida, tunajua tena. Kabisa. Munasema mpaka tukue wawili.
Tafute mwanamke.
Mwanamke, mimi ndo nataka nioe sasa. Yeah, I'm asking them the formula of taking this stone to the foundation there. Yeah, man, as you can see, the foundation is very big. I think this wall, yeah, it's a very big wall. Don't know why they have decided to do this big one, this big like this. Yeah.
Umekuja na pesa zangu leo tu.
Yaani wewe ndio unanibianga kabisa. Connect is here. Yo. Nyaje. What's up? Fit.
I have here Mr.
Yeah, Jamaican boy, Africa.
Jamaican boy, Africa.
Yeah, and how is you?
I'm good, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, so my name is Goldson.
Gold?
Goldson.
Okay, Goldson.
Yeah, you can just call me Goldson. When I say Goldson, it's quite hard.
Okay.
Yeah, so today, guys, we are carrying these stones.
Yeah, you can see very heavy stone.
Yeah, very heavy, and this is one.
And this man have strength, eh?
Yeah, foundation is always something that is so hard.
Yeah, very hard foundation.
But after foundation,
Yeah.
starts flowing. Yeah, so in this part is where it's very hard to
climb here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is
All right. So I'm finding the partner who I'm going to carry with him.
Oh.
Yeah, the stone. So
yeah.
I can see you are 2-2.
Yeah, we are two.
Yeah.
Because this you cannot carry alone.
You must have a partner.
Yeah, you must have a partner.
Yeah, so that you carry the heavy stone.
Yeah, for sure.
Or if not that, I carry myself a small one.
Maybe this small one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Aseko.
Lakini unarapangira na magena tarapangira.
Ano igae? Nareko tora.
Yaani huyo alikuwa na
Hata zimeacha mashimo hiyo.
Kimefanya hata hivyo. Marwa hajarekisha kazi jana. Ulikumbuka venye alisema? Unamaliza hapo na kuli. Kama jenga ni ile haraka.
yaani aje usiku nikutana watu na pande.
Kuna venye nakunywa mchanga. Naona mchanga. Ni mchanga mwingi.
Sasa utumii kamba. Utumii kamba kutafuta level ya pale chini.
Kwa nini na level ilishatafuta? Mimi hapa ni kwenda tu nayo.
Nayo
Huko. Maana zile kamba zenye uliona zikiwekwa ilikuwa level, sio mimi nikubalance hii. Funda iko na nini? Na wewe umeiacha ile kazi. Tumemaliza. Anawaambia tu akifika sehemu fulani anawaambia guys. Hivyo tu, kiende hivyo.
Hata tanya memuiga.
Jana tena mimi nimeona huko jana. Ona ndio yule. Aongei kitu. Ni kimya.
Yaani aongei.
Ni vya jamu like fundi Kenya nafanya. Watajionea.
Kwenda kunipiga shara tena mdogo kinaingia sasa.
Kwa ile time.
Kwa nyuma yako kwa.
Ile muda auto anaweza kuwa na watch hapo mbele ni forward. Unajua watu vizuri. Bado. Nimbona jamii na kesho na mwana.
Yeah man, Fadera here, Fadera TV.
Fadera TV here guys.
Yeah, I can see you are at work.
I'm at work, I'm working as a handman.
Yeah.
I'm the one bringing motor here from there.
Okay.
This one I'm using to this to carry the motor.
Yeah man.
You can see. So guys, go check me out, Fadera TV, show me love. Fadera TV.
Fadera TV, kindly guys show love to Fadera TV.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Fadera TV. Fadera mean dad. Father. Yeah, dad. Baba yao.
Then you had TV.
Rawi bila kajuja kapiga bora do imejipa. Hapo sawa.
Hata
Kitinya ile atanywa sema. Ikikuja sehemu.
Yeah guys, you see this is a bush. We are in the construction of the wall. The construction of the wall was. Aya, si come tubebe moja. Kuja tubebe moja na wewe nifanye film. Yeah, I'm telling him to come and we carry one and we carry stones from here to the foundation there. You know, the foundation is always hard. The foundation is always hard, guys. As you can see this one. As you can see here. Yeah, we are to wake up.
This is the one of the work, the biggest.
Yeah, this is the biggest work in the site. And the heavy work.
Yeah.
And the heavy work. You have to be eaten first and then you do this work. Yeah, man. Yeah. Hey, bwana. How baby. This is the handman. Yeah. He's like me. So let's do work.
Hey, don't drink in and tea.
Yeah, guys, here you can see now Jamaican boy here vibe. Yeah, we are taking this heavy stone to the foundation there from this far end, and we don't get tired, man. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, you must have strength. Yeah, man. Yeah. It's not one or two, but many rounds of bringing this heavy stone here. Yeah, you can see. You must have strength, man. Okay, yeah, man. Emma.
Yeah.
Like that. Unaweza ipozi.
Nakuja.
Hii inaweza kuwa nyepesi kidogo.
Haina shida, wewe leta.
Au tuweke tu bwana. That is it. You see, I don't have gloves. That's why I use these leaves here. Yeah, so that I prevent my hand. Yeah, to not getting injured. So let's go. Oh. All right, you can see all the gist of Yeah, now you know we are culling this stone with this young man here. Yeah, Jamaican boy. I'm in the site here now. We are taking this heavy big stone here to a foundation, guys. Yeah, you can see the way people here is tired because the stone are very heavy. Yeah, man. Yeah, Jamaican boy, Africa. Jamaican boy here, Africa. Yeah, talking that. Yeah, you can see even this young man here needs a piripiri. I don't know what he's going to do with the piripiri, Yeah, and the chili man. Yeah, you can see very heavy stone. This one here is me. I'm going to take this one here. I'm going to take this one here. Me. You can see here. Yeah, this old man here. We are just taking the stone to their site, the foundation there. Yeah, man. Let's go. These are rods we used to take the stone, man. Yeah. Stone. Hii ndo tunaenda nayo, this one. This heavy one. Yeah. The heavy one is what we are going to take to the site there. Yeah man. Here. Jamaican boy with I can see you are Rasta man, eh?
Rasta man, they call me Oseko.
Oseko
the Conqueror, if you might.
Oseko the Conqueror. Okay.
Yeah, but Oseko is my name. Yeah, okay. How are you, my brother?
I'm fine. Very nice name, Oseko the Conqueror. You know Conqueror.
You know, I've conquered this area.
Yeah, you have conquered now this area.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
Yeah,
I'm doing good.
Yes,
of course. Jamaican boy, Africa.
Jamaican boy. Why did you decide to call yourself Jamaican boy?
Okay, Jamaican boy. I decide myself because I love the vibe of Jamaican boy.
Vibes cartel, boss.
Yeah, vibes. You know, boss. Jamaican boy really have the vibe, very big vibe.
I think me and you go together I will go along quite nicely.
Okay.
So guys, today what we are doing is a construction of the perimeter wall.
Yeah,
but we are starting with what do we call it? Foundation.
Yeah.
So we dug the foundation yesterday.
Yeah.
And then we are putting the stones, like you can see them, guys.
Okay.
So these stones we are putting them, and then after this we come. Let me show you what we do after the construction. It's called scraping. That's the name of to smoothen the top of it, so that now the construction of the perimeter wall itself can start.
Yeah.
That's what is happening. But on the other side. Yeah. Let's walk there.
Okay. Let's walk there. You know, guys. I saw you last day. It was I think on what? In which day did you come here?
Wednesday last week.
Last week Wednesday?
Yes. So today is Wednesday. So I've been here exactly
a week.
1 week.
Okay.
Yes.
But I have not met you. And
yeah, you just imagine how comes Rastaman like you and a Rasta.
A Jamaican boy and a Rasta man, you know.
We didn't meet. How come we didn't meet?
And your Rasta is very amazing.
Yeah, it's really good. Although today, because of the work.
You know me too, I love Rasta man.
Yeah, you love Rastas.
Yeah.
Anyways,
okay.
I think the day is going on well over here.
Yeah.
So let me show you what is happening on this side, so that the viewers can.
Have you take the stones?
Yeah, I was carrying the stones.
Oh, you have already carried?
You can see my hands, how my hands look. You know, normally I don't.
You can see our hand is very injured because we don't have gloves.
Yeah, we don't have like gloves, but
the job will continue.
Yeah, so after putting these stones, we put this sand, and engineer over here can explain.
Yeah, you can see engineer is here. How are you, man?
Good, bro. Tell us what's happening over here.
Yeah, man, I'm good.
Yeah.
I can see here you are busy working.
Yeah.
You know, the first time I came here, but I saw you are so busy, so that's why.
Give these people space.
Okay.
Yeah.
Many people they didn't know that I'm a mason.
Yeah.
I was a musician.
They thought you was a musician.
Yeah.
They thought you were here to perform.
Yeah, I'm here to perform.
A concert.
This is national. This is what I normally do.
Yeah. So now tell us the process.
Process of this one is this.
And the name.
Okay. This one we call it screeding.
Screeding.
Yes.
You know, that is a
Amazon name.
Yeah, Amazon name.
So Amazon name. It helps like.
It helps. Maybe you can show
it helps on cracking.
Okay.
Like that.
Yeah. Yes.
So when we are doing this one,
Yes.
it also helps in levelizing the stones.
Yes.
You see, we can't build over this.
You can't put bricks over here. You have to levelize it before. Before you can start building there. Yeah. So guys, that is what is happening over here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Now let's keep going this way.
And I can see them. Okay, now do you have a channel, engineer?
Yeah, I have a channel.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. How do it call it? How will call it? You know me.
What's the name of your YouTube, engineer?
It's my first day to meet you here, engineer.
Yes.
Yeah, this is my first time.
Yeah.
To come. By the way, I was in Kisumu last time before I came here.
Yes. Okay.
I went to build a pizza oven.
A pizza oven.
So I was there.
Pizza oven.
So I was not around here.
Okay,
Guys, this is Nation 1. Nation 1. One with letter ONE.
Okay. Nation 1.
Nation 1. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Show me some love there.
Yeah.
Come and subscribe. Show me some love. I had a first channel.
Yes.
But someone hacked my channel. But right now I have
haters. We call them haters.
Okay. Yeah. Haters. Right now, how many subscribers? Have you reached 1,000 subscribers?
I've not even reached 100 subscribers.
Okay.
So guys, let's get him to 1,000.
Yeah, man. 1,000. Let's show love.
He's also a Rasta man like us.
Yeah.
If you give him a subscriber, that's you show love.
That's love.
Yeah, that's love.
Yes.
Yeah, engineer.
Yeah.
Let's now go there and bring for you the material.
Yeah.
How do we call this one here?
This is what we call it when it's with the cement. We call it a cement.
Okay.
Sand with cement, we call it a cement.
Okay,
Yes.
it's a cement.
It's a cement.
Yeah.
Let's
Go, guys. Come. Yeah, Jamaican boy here. I tell you that Jamaican boy is the people obvious have a vibe.
Yes,
you know,
always.
Like here, we are vibing.
Yeah,
Yeah. We don't get agreed. We are obvious happy.
Yeah, we are always happy.
We are always
Rasta
happy.
men, we are always happy.
Yeah.
Peaceful people.
Happy.
Happy people.
Yeah.
So, okay, let me just show people because maybe people are wondering who is this guy.
Of course.
Let me. Yeah.
Okay, now guys, this is Oseko twins. Oseko twins.
Yeah, this is it, guys.
Yeah, guys, go please kindly and search and click the bell.
Guys, once you come over, guys, make sure you tell me that Jamaican boy is the one who's.
Yeah, of course.
Right.
Yeah, tell him that from Jamaican boy, Team Marwa. Yeah, you know.
And you ask for direction.
Yeah.
They don't go. They don't tell you go this way and then you go left and then you go right.
Yeah.
They tell you go this way, boss right, boss left.
Yeah, man.
And,
Now let's go this way.
This way. What do you want us to pick?
Yo, how are you?
Yeah.
We want to pick a
construction material.
guard.
Yeah.
That one for taking the stone. The stone. You know.
Yeah.
You know, work is to take a stone
Yes.
to the what?
Construction site.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
we have to search.
Yeah. Get something to be able
To carry it.
bricks with.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, Oseko. You know. You know here.
Position. Cheo inaitwa nini English?
Position.
Position.
Yeah, man.
Position rank.
Kama ni chairman, utaniambia jamaa kuna cheo chairman, utaniambia aje?
He is the chairman.
He had a position. A leader like a chairman. Like chairman actually.
Yeah, he is the chairman.
Position
He just
leader.
says the chairman.
Chairman.
Yeah. You were saying?
I have a position here.
Yeah.
Top security.
Yeah.
Security.
Like as you can see, this man is a gym guy.
Yeah, the gym guy.
And
I'm so scared. I'm so scared.
But the dreadlock are very nice.
Wait, Oseko.
Yes.
Let me now found something here.
But I'm on the way. I'm catching up. Yeah. John. Yes. And me if you want to meet me.
Yeah, man.
Chairman.
The foundation is here. This is the foundation, guys. This is foundation. The truck wants to go down. All right. This is the stone have come, the stone, yeah man. Yeah, you can see here this stone here. This is the stone. Yeah, we have to put it in a foundation. Yeah, man. Yeah, you see we are with the boss Marwa here, guys. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Can see boss Marwa is here. Yeah, man. And you can see there is a huge of stone here, but you have already taken it to the foundation. Now we are going to take that way, which one have arrived now. Yeah. Yeah, here is Nico Buddha. Yeah, Nico Buddha is here. Yeah, as usual, you know, Nico Buddha have decided to be here. Yeah, the whole of this construction, as in from the day the construction started. Yeah, Nico Buddha was here, and right now is here with me. Yeah.
Yes, guys. We are still working.
Yeah, we are here still working hard. You know, they usually tell us at the school there that it is that's work hard pays.
Yeah, work hard is pay, man.
Okay, now let's work hard. Yeah. We work hard, pay. We work hard, pay. Yes. Yeah. Jamaican boy, Africa. Yeah, kindly guys, subscribe, watch till the end, comment, put there the sweet comment. As you can see here, I'm with the Brian. Yeah, I'm with the Brian here. Brian is relaxing.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah, Brian is relaxing here, as you can see. Yeah, we are in the new bungalow. Yeah, it means we are here charging the phones. Yeah, because the wiring I've already done. Yeah, and there is a so guys, here maybe I ask Brian, did you go to school?
I go to admit.
Or you go for admission?
Yeah.
Okay, which school?
Calling the school of SDA.
It's a school of SDA. I see like a Kibran. And how did you see the school? It's good.
Yeah.
It's good. Now you are going to be in school always. Okay, that's good. I was wanting to know how is you doing, and how you decided about school. About school, you have said you are going to school even if there is a party or there's no party, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course, that's good. Good decision, good decision. Yeah, you have to go to school if even there is no any party, you have to go to school. Guys, you can see my hand here. I was working, yeah? I was working outside there, taking the stone, yeah, from the place where they placed it, and to the site, to the construction, yeah. Yo, Chacha.
Yes.
How are you, my friend? Nowadays, you know, umepotea sana, bro. You don't want people of my channel to see you.
I'm coming. I'm not feeling very well.
Okay. He has said he's coming. So, guys,
Let's meet here.
yeah. So, guys, here today is day what here? Imagine, guys. Amazing, marvelous. Yeah, very amazing. Today is 21. You can see. Yeah, you can see. This is your occasion now.
Yeah.
This.
Yeah.
You tell that this is your room now. Now, how do you feel?
I'm feeling good.
Yeah. You have even a good room than that mine. Than that for me at my home there. Eh? Yeah, it's God grace. It's God grace, my friend, okay? Yeah, you know now I'm in Brian's home, and this is Brian's room, as you can see here. Brian's room. Have you get well?
Yes, I'm fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have been admitted.
Yeah.
Okay, I can see you are busy. What are you doing?
I'm trying to calculate the keyboard.
Okay, you're trying to?
Putting some keyboard.
Okay, he's trying to download the keyboard, guys. So guys, we are here with Brian, and Brian is doing good. Yeah, as you can see, even my eyes here. Very tired, yeah, because of dust. Yeah, but my hand is what I'm hearing like it's burn because I don't have gloves. You know, the stone there was heavy. It was very, very heavy. Yeah, man. So, guys, yeah, Brian is doing well. Me too, I'm doing well. Jamaican boy, please subscribe, like, and comment. Just in a God will, okay? Yeah. Yeah, let's all have a God mercy. Yeah, God mercy is very good. It's very nice too. Yeah, you know, at the last time as I was speaking with Brian, we were at the place there, at the old house there. The background was very bad, but you can see what God done to Brian. You can even put the mattress down like this, and then you sleep. Yeah, you put the mattress down like this, and you sleep. Okay, because there is no dust. It's very clean, guys. Very, very, very clean. Very clean. You can see. Yeah, very clean. So, guys, please kindly support me by subscribing, comment. Yeah, and God also. Yeah, He will do favor for you. You know, guys, all of us, we are people of God. You know, don't say that I'm preaching. Yeah, it's because I have God too. Yeah, it's because I like to praise God. I like to worship God. Yeah, man. Okay. Now, okay, guys. So I'm going to show you to go around the bungalow, and you see what's the progress, guys. Okay, yeah, kindly please follow me, watch till the end. Jamaican boy Africa. Yeah, guys, thank you guys, thank you for your support, thank you. And I'm even happy for 2,000 subscriber loading to 3,000. Guys, kindly support with your all heart, and please kindly, God will support us too. Yeah, man. Yeah, let me go around the house, just a tour, a small tour. Yeah, man.
Anapiga anakuwa na kitete.
Unaifanya ona, haisikii uchungu. Unaipiga hivi. Ona, unaipiga hivi.
See the progress of the foundation, guys. See the progress of the foundation. Yeah, man. You can see the appearance of the bungalow. Yeah, the house is very great, very nice. You can see someone here selling. Yeah, here in the side they even bring here the eggs. Yeah, you can see mayai, we call it mayai.
My eggs.
Yeah, my eggs. This is the kachumbari. Yeah, man. This is the mayai inside here, and this is the groundnut. Yeah, man. Yeah. As you can see, there's a toilet, there's a shower. Yeah. There's a toilet, guys. This is a kitchen, guys. This is a kitchen. Yeah, as you can see here, the engineer is here. Yeah, man. Yes. How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah.
Yes.
I can see you are an engineer here.
Yes, I'm just working on this project.
Okay. So is you that you have installed this one here?
Yes.
Okay, you can see, guys, a very good bakery here. Okay, now what's your name in YouTube? Do you have a channel?
Yes, I have a channel.
Yeah, man.
Goes by the name Godfrey O.
Godfrey O.
Oh, yes, that's my name.
Okay. Why O?
Anyway, by the way, my father is called Ondieki.
Okay.
So I just found.
So O is a short name of Ondieki.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, man, you can hear this one is amazing name, yeah? O, short name of Ondieki. Yeah, Alfred.
I found that
yeah.
Ondieki pronouncing, Americans pronouncing Ondieki is hard.
It's hard, yeah.
So I tried to shorten it.
Yeah, shorten it so that it's sweet, but it's sweetie.
Yes.
Yeah, so guys, go check his channel, please kindly subscribe for Alfred O. Godfred.
Yes.
You can show you can show it. Yeah, guys, so you can see here. Yeah, this is a sink. Yeah, man. Very nice sink. This is a kitchen. Yeah, this is a kitchen, guys. Yes, guys, you can see here is Godfrey O. Please kindly, guys, go and check and subscribe. Yeah, comment, sweet comment, Yeah.
Promote.
And they promote. As you know, us, what we need is love.
Yes.
Yeah, you know, we are here because of love. So when you subscribe our channels, you have showed love for us.
One people.
One love.
Yes.
One love.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah man, this is a sitting room. Yeah, as you can see, these are dining. Yeah, this is dining. As you can see, a sitting room is very sweet there. Very nice sitting room. Very nice sitting room. As you can see here, bed. Wow. Very nice bed. Yeah, this is a bedroom, guys. Yeah, this is a bedroom. Very nice one. Very nice one. Very nice. This is a toilet of our grandma. As you can see. Yeah man, this is a toilet of our grandma. Yeah, you can see. Very nice one. Very nice. Very nice one. Okay, you can see here. Yeah, these are, I think these are a corridor. These are a store. It can use to be like it will use like a store. This is a store, I can guess. Yeah man, so kindly guys, yeah, we are here. Please subscribe our channel. Yeah, I'm Jamaican Boy Africa. Yeah.
Imagination is
Leta mawe makubwa huku chini wewe. Leta mawe makubwa hapa. Hapa chini.
Yeah, maybe now you can just show people.
Yes, Priska.
Hello.
You can see my hand is dirty. I don't want to.
No, have I said no to that?
Okay. How are you?
Priska Sagati, guys. I'm fine.
Yeah.
I'm good. I'm grateful.
Yeah,
Thank
man.
God. I just came to check on grandma and see how she's doing.
Okay.
And I can see she's doing better.
Yeah.
God bless her.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm heading out.
Yeah, okay, now you are heading out.
Yes.
You know now guys, today is my advantage day because I've met Priska Sagati.
Okay.
One day, the day that we cook down there, there is someone say, hey, greet Priska Sagati. It's Jerry. Story mingi.
Who is that? Your girlfriend?
No. Not my girlfriend.
Who?
And they even tell me that, is Priska Sagati your girlfriend?
Seriously?
Yeah, from that day that we cooked there. I don't know if it's because they saw that we are cooking together.
Oh my goodness, people are crazy.
Yeah.
Tell them you have a girlfriend.
Yeah, no, I don't have a girlfriend. I don't have a girlfriend.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
I don't have a girlfriend, guys. Priska Sagati is not my girlfriend.
Yes,
the way
exactly,
you ask, no, it's not my girlfriend, but is my I don't know how I can say.
Friend.
Yeah, my good friend and my role model. You know, I met you the year back. Yeah, one day I met you and you tell me about YouTube.
Yes, at Tringboke.
Yeah, at a Tringboke home. And now I'm here. I can say that I'm appreciating and how can I say? Kushangilia. Ninashangilia. I celebrate. I'm celebrating 2,000 subscribers. Yeah. Yeah, loading to 3,000. Yeah, guys.
By God's grace.
Yeah.
Make it.
So I'm saying thank you.
Yes.
And I'm happy to meet you now, Priska Sagati.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. So me, I'm going to Isibania. I just came to check on grandma.
Yeah.
Today I'm not doing a video, but tomorrow very early I'll be here to check on you guys.
Yeah, man.
To see how you're doing. I can see now work has really started.
Yeah, and we have missed your cook, you know.
I will come.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. We have cooked. We have missed you. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, guys, final touches. Final touches. Yeah.
Finishing the day over here.
Yeah, and we are not sad. We are happy. Like we were eating, but we were doing a very heavy work
Very
here.
heavy day today.
Yeah, man.
We are glad that it has come to an end.
Yeah.
That's the most important thing. It has come to an end.
And
Yeah, so but it's not like the work is done, the job is not done yet.
yeah.
Because let me just show you. You see, for today, we this is the end as of today.
Okay, this is the end of today. Tomorrow work. We were here.
Cut across this
Yeah, imagine, guys, the wall will pass here
all across here.
or across to the door. Imagine, you don't imagine, you just follow me. Follow me that follow me and you will see how this wall will pass
Passes across.
that way. Yeah.
And the wall will follow. The screening, then the wall.
Yeah. Okay, so guys, we are in the final touches. You know, this is called Oseko. Yeah, with Jamaican boy here.
Jamaican boy.
Voila. Let's show love. Let's show love, guys.
Come
Yeah.
to my page,
Subscribe to Oseko
and
subscribe to Jamaican Boy Africa.
Yeah,
And it will be great.
It will be great.
Yeah, man. Rasta,
Yeah, man.
Rasta. Yes, was one love. You know, Jamaica, we really do 3 things.
Yeah, we
One.
3 times.
1, 2, 3, and let's show love, guys. Yeah, man.
There's a
Drink on here. Kizo. I'm saying these things, they look so expensive.
Yeah, it is so much expensive.
Yeah.
Because it is imported from Chicago. From
Chinkong King.
From Chicago.
Oh, Chicago.
So yeah,
Imported from Chicago.
they came from Chicago right now.
Yeah, I just made the order in the morning.
Yes, in the morning.
I made my order in the morning.
Yes.
So I told the dealer to put them in the ship.
Yes.
So that I can receive them.
So just receive them today.
Yeah, I just received them a few minutes ago from Chicago, and thank you so much, my dealer. I really trust you so much. Why are you guys laughing?
I know, you know, from Chicago to here, East Africa, I think it's very many miles.
Yeah,
No,
very long way.
It is only because
And
of
then
trust.
Okay.
Because I trust that dealer.
Yeah.
That's why I sent him the money. So that he...
So you import today and it's reached all you imported the other weeks there.
I imported it a few minutes ago. Before I ate lunch.
Oh, you mean it's come with a helicopter or a private jet?
Aeroplane, Boeing 116-001.
Hey.
Yeah, you guys need to do
Kizo here. Kizo saying that.
Yeah. Okay, I'm coming.
So good.
You know, this job, I learned it when I was in Russia.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. This is the job that you learned.
Yeah, I learned it in Russia.
Okay.
But then I could not continue living in Russia because of the weather. I didn't like the weather in Russia.
Okay.
Yeah, so I was forced to come back.
Okay.
And let me put it somewhere here.
Yeah, put it even here. Now this one here, this thing is in a idea. What's the purpose of putting these things here?
It doesn't have any much use.
Yeah.
It's only for beautification.
Oh, beautification.
You know, in school I did what we call beauty and therapy.
Oh, okay.
But it's for ladies. Or even men.
Beauty and therapy.
Yeah.
Beauty and therapy. So I did my university level.
Yeah.
Then I graduated with masters of degrees.
Okay. That's good, Kizo. So you tell us that this is the work that you go for school to learn because
My profession.
okay, it's your profession.
Yeah, I learned it in school.
Okay.
Yeah.
But I can see this one. Why others are big one and others are small one?
The reason why others are big and others are small,
Yeah.
it is even in the Bible.
But you can see here.
Yeah, you see like here, I decided to put here to be big.
Yeah.
You see like these are bigger grains.
Yeah, very big.
And these are small.
Yeah.
The reason why,
Yeah.
do you see the story in the Bible where David hit Goliath with a stick? Goliath was big and David was small. So that is the why I decided to do it like this.
Okay.
There's any difference of this one and this one, but those big ones look so big.
Yeah, you see the big ones? These
Yeah.
are from a place called Guyana.
This come from Guyana.
But this one, I imported it from Chicago.
Okay, this one from Chicago.
Yeah, so
This one is better.
Hey, wow, you know now today I've touched something from Chicago.
Yeah.
Hey,
First time.
do you like
my
Chicago?
first time to
Chicago?
I know by name.
Do you like it?
I like Chicago. Yeah, I like Chicago.
So me, I don't have much to say.
Okay.
I just went now to die.
Jamaican boy.
Yeah, Jamaican boy here, Africa, guys. Jamaican boy, Africa. Please kindly subscribe. Yeah, subscribe. Show love by subscribing. Watch and comment. Sweet. Also, don't forget to like. Yeah, man. Okay.
So guys, and me is for the Luck TV guys. Go check me out, support me. I've been working here since day 1. Today's day 24, and they're still working. As you can see, within a month, we have just done a very big place. You can see we are in the wall. We're just working. You can see my kids here just finishing putting tarizo, guys.
Yeah, you know, you guys, I always tell you guys that going to school is good.
Yeah.
Because just imagine if I didn't go to school to learn about this thing,
Yeah.
how would I be getting my money? Yeah, because, yeah. You
Of
guys-
course.